Let's look at filling out a manual or mechanical work ticket. So what'll happen sometimes is a farmer might call in to Husky, let's say, and he'll have a lease road, such as this lease road, going to all these different sites. And he might not want it to be sprayed because it's close to his crop or for other varying reasons. But if he has noxious weeds there, he might want us to come in and do some hand picking to pick out a select number of weeds that he doesn't want close to his crop line. This doesn't happen very often. It's usually closer to the end of the summer if it does happen. But in case it does, we have a work ticket for that, and it's called our manual or mechanical work ticket, and it's under the same folder as our Billable work ticket 2020. So you'll come in, you'll do your hand picking, and when you go to create a ticket, you'll click on your polygon, go to forms, same as before, click add form, and you scroll down to Marksman Billable work ticket 2020. Once we go into that, we'll click on the date again. We'll select which date it is, and we'll swipe to the next screen. Our division, still Lloydminster. Type of work ticket. Now instead of doing a herbicide application ticket, we're going to do a manual or mechanical work ticket. And swipe to the next screen. Job number. So we'll scroll up to Husky Energy Furnace 1073. We'll select our crew members again. So we'll say it was me and John that were out spraying. We'll go to our next screen. Say Cam was our supervisor for the day. Equipment name, we'll just say 2001. Say that we started at 9 a.m. and we picked weeds until, let's say, 12. Whoop, I already messed that up. Okay, we'll say we started at 10. We'll go to the next screen. And we'll say that we picked until 12. So 2 hours of hand picking. We'll say add a picture. And we'll do the same thing here as we would have done for a herbicide application ticket. We'll take a picture of the area that we were hand picking in, so the side of the road by the crop line. And then we will take a picture of the site sign on the way out. So that would be what we would do for a manual ticket. For a mechanical work ticket, we'll do the same thing. And the only thing that we really change is the comments that we put down for it. So a mechanical work ticket would be if you're doing weed whacking, for example. So some oil leases, such as a bit up north by Frog Lake or Fishing Lake, they have sites that are in the bush, and between the site and the bush, there will be an area of grass. So we'll come in and the grass will get mowed with the mower. And then we got to come back later on with weed whackers and trim up the areas that the mower wasn't able to reach. So that would be an instance when you do the same ticket, but it would be for mechanical instead of for manual labor. So either way, up to this point, you're going to fill out the form the same. You're going to take pictures the same, take a picture of the area you were working and a picture of the site sign, the LSD, where you were working at. And then you'll just enter the comments for what you were doing. So in the comment box here, you might say, got to site, unloaded weed whackers, filled up with fuel, weed whack sites where mower wasn't able to reach, finished weed whacking site, and loaded up weed whackers back onto truck. Or if you were doing manual labor, so you were hand picking weeds, you might say, got to site, looked at area where they wanted weeds picked a total of 5 garbage bags filled with weeds, loaded them onto truck, and did paperwork. Something along those lines. So for weed picking or for mechanical labor, a mechanical work ticket, you're going to select the same ticket. You're just going to enter your comments differently depending on what it will be. So we would add another picture. We take a picture of our site sign. You click on Save Form and Exit. And that's all you have to do for that. So you can exit, you can click on your polygon again, and you'll see that your work ticket's there for doing your manual labor or mechanical work ticket.